Will the vehicle pass the upcoming emissions test? Innova 7111 already has the answer, just look at the LED. Emission readiness LEDs indicate the vehicle's emissions inspection, or smog check status. Moreover, it is based on the specific environmental regulations of the selected state. LED logic is influenced by three factors: the DTC status, check engine lamp, and the vehicle's monitor status. A green LED indicates that all engine systems are running normally, and all emission monitors are performing their diagnostic testing. A red LED indicates there is a problem in one or more of the vehicle's systems, causing the check engine lamp to be on, or some of the emission monitors have not run their diagnostic testing. Sometimes, a vehicle with MIL-off and all monitors completed still shows a red LED, if one or more permanent DTCs exist. For other states with no vehicle emission inspection and maintenance program, there's another status, yellow LED. This indicates there is a possible problem in one or more of the vehicle's systems, either a pending DTC is present, or some of the vehicle's emission monitors have not run their diagnostic testing. In the case of a red LED, the 7111 provides fixes for DTCs, which are AS-certified fixes for the DTC situation. Don't forget to check them out. Then, a crucial step follows every repair. Erase the DTC to reset the monitor status, and perform the drive cycle to run these monitors to completion. There are two types of vehicle's emission monitor status: since DTC's cleared, and this driving cycle. The since DTC's cleared determines the LED color, crucial for assessing the vehicle's overall health, and is shown during key on engine off. This driving cycle is automatically displayed once the vehicle is in key on engine running, where the enabled and completion status during the current drive is shown. This monitor status helps you save time by indicating the disabled monitors, preventing driving a vehicle with disabled monitors. It also aids in better tracking completion status by constantly updating the status. Tap View Drive Cycles for a specific driving procedure for each monitor. Once this driving cycle monitor status is complete, the since DTC cleared will update on its own, and the LED color will change after a quick rescan. Take full advantage of diagnostic capabilities with 7111. And if you need assistance or have questions, our dedicated technician support team is here to help. Thanks for choosing Innova 7111.